Top 11 Igbo cities with the highest economic activity 2024. If you've ever wondered which Igbo cities are the hottest spots for trade, industry, and business in 2024, you're in the right place. Today, we are breaking down the top 11 cities in the southeast of Nigeria that are driving the economy forward with everything from booming markets to innovative manufacturing. Get ready to discover what makes these cities tick, the industries they are famous for, and the job opportunities popping up for locals and beyond. Okay, let's get right into it. Onitsha. When it comes to economic action, Onitsha is the boss, known for the legendary Onitsha main market. This Anambra State city is the go-to spot for trade in West Africa. Picture an enormous market buzzing with everything: clothing, electronics, food, you name it. They have it all. But that's not all. Onitsha also boasts a solid manufacturing sector, with factories producing a range of goods. This combo of massive trade and manufacturing puts Onitsha at the top of the Igbo economic ladder. 2. Aba. Aba in Abia State is all about made in Aba. This city has made a name for itself in manufacturing, especially in fashion. Aba's artisans are pros at crafting clothes, shoes, leather goods, and even furniture. Aba's markets are packed with products that find their way across Nigeria and even beyond. Many of Aba's businesses are small and family-run, adding a unique local vibe to everything made here. This city is strong. Grassroots manufacturing is what fuels its economy. 3. Enugu. Enugu in Enugu State is where culture meets progress. Thanks to a major infrastructure overhaul, Enugu State is becoming a magnet for investors. With a new sheriff in town, Governor Peter Mba is really making things work in this state. Businesses are flocking in and tech startups are popping up all over. Plus, Enugu's rich history and tourism potential make it a top spot for visitors, bringing in more cash and creating jobs in hospitality, tourism, and services. 4. Owerri. As the capital of Imo State, Owerri might not be a manufacturing hub, but it's booming in the service sector. Government offices, banks, hospitals, and educational institutions are all driving the economy here. Owerri's lively market and growing demand for student housing, restaurants, and entertainment keep things bustling, benefiting both residents and visitors alike. 5. Nnewi. Nnewi has transformed into an economic powerhouse, largely thanks to Innoson Vehicles, Nigeria's premier car manufacturer, with Innoson cranking out cars, SUVs, and trucks right in this city. This city is now on the map as a manufacturing center. The company brings loads of jobs, attracts investment, and boosts local businesses, making Nnewi a city of opportunity and innovation. This city is in southern part of Anambra State. It's a city powered by indigenous industrialization. It's a mini Onitsha, as it is made up more of industries and businesses. It's a rugged city and the best place to buy automobiles and automobile spare parts. 6. Abakaliki. Once a very quiet agricultural town, Abakaliki is now becoming a hub of economic activity. Known for its rice production, Abakaliki is attracting new investments in food processing, creating jobs, and adding value to the local economy. Improved infrastructure and a central location make it an up-and-coming commercial center with a future in mineral resources yet to be tapped. 7. Umuahia. As the capital of Abia State, Umuahia has a very strong service sector with government offices, universities, hospitals, and more. But it's also becoming known for tech, with startups and co-working spaces sprouting up, making it a promising city for young professionals. This tech-friendly city is laying the groundwork for future growth and innovation. 8. Olu. Known for its palm oil production, Olu in Imo State is another agricultural star. Palm oil and other products from Olu's fertile lands are essential to Nigeria's economy, with bustling markets, storage facilities, and transportation services. Olu's agricultural sector is a vital piece of the Igbo economic puzzle. 9. Okigwe. Okigwe is famous for cassava processing, especially gari, a Nigerian staple. The city's cassava products are shipped all over Nigeria, supporting local farmers and contributing to Okigwe's steady economic growth. Besides gari, Okigwe also produces fufu flour, tapioca, showcasing the diversity of its agricultural industry. 10. Nsukka. Rounding our list is Nsukka, an agricultural trade center where the local markets are brimming with fresh produce from the surrounding fertile lands. Yams, cassava, corn, and palm oil all flow through Nsukka, making it a key supplier of food to the region and keeping the city's economic vibrant and sustainable. This city is in northern part of the Igbo land. It is more of an academic and agricultural city. It's the host of the popular iconic University of Nigeria. It is fast developing, serene, and moderately looking. The recent Enugu state government gave the city a good facelift. This city showed just how dynamic and resilient Igbo land's economy is, with each city bringing something unique to the table. Whether it's manufacturing, agriculture, or tech, Igbo cities are shaping up to be economic heavyweights in Nigeria. Stay tuned for more updates on Ebony People TV as we keep spotlighting the bright future of Igbo land.